Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to create a pestle and mortar, which is very essential for you guys to make stimulants, gunpowder, narcotics, which is very important. And so in order to do that, this is my dozen. I don't know if you guys saw my previous video, but I changed it. So what we need to do is the following. We will need to go to Ingrams, right here, click it, and then we want to go to level 6, which is this one. You buy it, 6 points, and this is the narcotic here, okay? So you buy that, and let it go. Alrighty, so first thing is we will need skin, which I don't have, but that's okay. So we're gonna get skin from this guy, because it's better. And then we're gonna kill it, sadly. What's that? Kill this guy. And then you're gonna take the pickaxe. Okay, there you go. So what we will need now is stone, which I have again. Alright, so let's make some stone. Alright, so okay, there you go. So this one right here, see that? So we're gonna create it, and it's gonna go to your inventory, which is here, and then it's right here, which is perfect. So we wanna go back. Oh yeah, sand torch. I got scared. I thought my house was on fire. But anyway, so this one, you can place it anywhere on the floor you like. It's up to your imagination, where you want to put it. I personally, what I like to do, you cannot put it on the floor, as you can see. So it has to be on something on the floor. On the ground, I'm sorry. You're gonna put it on the ground instead. It has to be on the floor. So let's just put it right here. Just for the purpose of the video, and that's how you do it. So you want to access to the inventory, you press X, and then as you can see, you don't see that narcotic, right? So in order to make that, what we want to do is have the meat spoiled, and it says right there in 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Well, 54 seconds. So we want to press Y or triangle if you're on the PlayStation, so you can divide the meat. This will help you divide the meat, so they can spoil the meat much faster. Instead of spoiling it one by one, this one is going to do it all at once. I've noticed that a lot of people do this, which is good. Now, in order for you to find your narcotic, is the following. There's this folder right here that says consumables. You double click it, and you double click on drugs, and it's right here. So what you want to do is, to make it, you need this narco berries, and on my first video or second video I taught you how to collect. So you should collect these bushes, and eventually you will receive narcotics. They are pretty rare berries, so you will not be collecting a bunch of them. As you can see, I collected 2. See that? That's how rare it is. But not that great. So you will be spending yourself collecting a lot of berries. In order for you to collect berries faster, the other way would be by taming a dino that we just killed. It's called Pyrosaur, and the way you can like tame it is by throwing a bola at it and knock it out with your wood. The way we did it on the previous dinosaur, the raptor, you throw a bola at it and you hit it with your wooden stick. I forgot what it was called though, but it's the same process. Same process to you throw a bola at this dino, you throw and you knock it out and you feed it meats. But that will be for another video. So we've collected, I mean, we collected quite a few. I mean, I already had them while I was. So what we want to do is wait until the meat gets spoiled. So I'll let you guys know once it's ready. I'll be back. Awesome. So the meat is spoiled now. So let me show you guys how to make a narcotic. So what you do is consumables, drugs, and then you will drag this over here. See that? The narcotic berry. You will drag it over here. This is pretty unique to make because it takes 5 narco berries and 1 spoiling. So make sure you have a lot of narco berries. And then what you will do is see that how it's highlighted in like a little bit of light blue. It means that you can make it. And my recommendation is to press Y so you can craft everything. Or if you just want to craft 5, you press X. In this case, I'm just gonna make 1 for the purpose. I'm just gonna craft everything for the purpose of the video, and then it's gonna start making right here. And once it's ready, it'll be right here. See that? And that's how you do it. You're gonna do the same process with this one, with spark powder. It'll tell you the ingredients anyway, what you will need, and you make it right there. So I hope you guys like my tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one. And Happy New Year's. Stay alive, survivors. Subscribe so we can survive another day.